It is freezing cold. It's January 27th, and I am trying to catch the sunrise at the Grand Canyon, and I hope I don't miss it. I don't know exactly what time it is going to be at, and I don't have any service out here.
At roundabout,
So,
first exit to Highway 64.
Thank you. So yeah, that's what I'm about. Wish me luck. So this elk is totally lost its fear of people here in the Grand Canyon National Park. I feel like I could almost go up and touch it. I won't, but I probably could.